Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this cool laggy echo effect. So once I have my clip here, I'm going to bring in an adjustment layer. I'm going to cut it down to the size of our clip. So I'm into my effects control, and then the first effect I'm going to add is echo. Drag it in right here. I'm going to head towards just the beginning. I'm going to put the number of echoes on 25 and the intensity on 0.90 and put the decay at 0.69, and then I'm going to head towards echo operator. I'm going to put it at maximum. Next I'm going to add is posterize time. I'm going to put the frame rate at 15. Then I'm going to head down and go to noise. Then I'm going to put the noise at 8. Then I'm going to add glow, drag it in, and I might just decrease, I might increase the radius a bit more to get like this cool dreamy look. I'm gonna increase the threshold a bit. Yeah, it is pretty nice. And yeah, these are all the effects you'll need in order to create a laggy echo effect. If you enjoyed this video or learned a new effect, make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment, since I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. And yeah guys, hope you have a good week or a good day. And yeah, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.